Hello everyone, my name is LeAndra Castaneda and this video is made on a very important topic in pre-calculus, that's composite function. I'm going to show you how to use a composite function in a real-world problem, show that not all composite functions are commutative, and show you how a composite function is made. Does anybody know what a composite function is? A composite function is a pointwise application of one function to another to provide a third function. Here is an example of this process. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a composite function. Our first function is f of x equals 2x plus 3, and the second function is g of x equals x squared plus 6x. In this instance, you're looking for f of g of x, which equals z of x. Here you're going to substitute your g of x in for every x in f of x. You'll come out with 2 times x squared plus 6x plus 3, and you distribute it, and you end up with 2x squared plus 12x plus 3 equals z. In this example, you're looking for g of f of x, and you substitute every f of x in for x in g of x, and you come out with 2x plus 3 quantity squared plus 6 times 2x plus 3. Once you distribute that all out, you end up with 4x plus 12x plus 9 plus 12x plus 18. You combine like terms, and you end up with 28x plus 27, which equals z of x. Now that we know the basis of a composite function, let's apply this to a real-world problem. You work 40 hours a week at a furniture store, you receive a $220 weekly salary plus a 3% commission on sales over $5,000. Assume that you sell enough this week to get the commission. Given the functions f of x equals 3% times x and g of x equals x minus 500, find f of g of x, which represents your commission. Your total sales is equal to x, which is also equal to 8,000. And again, your equations are f of x equals 3% times x and g of x equals x minus 5,000. And we're looking for f of g of x, and you substitute your x minus 5,000 in for every x in f of x. So your equation comes out to 3% times x minus 5,000. Next, we plug in the 8,000 in for x in the equation. So you're left with 3% times 8,000 minus 5,000. And you substitute what's inside the parentheses, which equals 3,000, and you multiply it times the 3%. And your commission for the week is $90. Next, I'm going to teach you about commutative property. Does anyone know what commutative property means? A commutative property means that changing the order of the operation does not change the end result. Example of commutative property. We have the equation f of x equals x squared and the equation g of x equals 3x. We're going to use 4 for x in both equations. So we substitute 4 in for x in x squared, and that equals 16. Then we substitute the 16 in for x in the equation 3x, and you come with 48. On the bottom equation, we use 4 again, and we're going to the left. So you substitute the 4 in for the x in 3x, and you come out with 12. Then substitute the 12 in for x squared, and you get 144. Depending on the operation, you come out with different answers. Here's a favorite quote of mine. Give me a fish and I eat for a day. Teach me to fish and I eat for a lifetime. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you.